I just want to look you guys my room, my messy room. Yan. My messy room. And then I'm eating my chocolates, even if my teeth tooth bang. You want chocolate? Walang plano to. Walang plano tong kachat kong afam na taga Amerika. Sabi ko kasi, sabi niya, what are you doing on your day off? Sabi ko, after wiping leaves, we eat lunch together with my workmates, then take a rest. Then they call me to help them fold the bed sheets. And then they call me again to put the curtain in room 102. Then need to help them cook for dinner. Sabi niya, well, so much for your day off. LOL. LOL. Tawa siya. I'm making breakfast. Yeah, actually no day off at all because they call me every time. And what is your breakfast today? Sabi ko. Sabi niya, exactly. And then sausage and egg breakfast sandwich and waffles daw ang breakfast niya. Tapos sabi, that's why I have day off. I need to go away the whole day. So, sabi ko, right. That's why if I have day off, I need to go away the whole day here so that they won't call me. Sabi ko gano'n. Tapos sabi niya, don't they do their job well enough? They can get along without your help? Yeah, if they know I'm here at my room, they will call me. Ako. That's why sometimes I want to go away. Here, riding anywhere. Tapos sabi niyo, you need relax time. Time to go out and have fun, dancing, things like that. Go out and meet a nice man that treats you like a queen. Sabi niya gano'n. Tapos sabi ko naman, pinagtutulakan akong manap daw ako ng lalaki daw. Tapos sabi ko naman, but no man here in an island. They have a woman already. Oh, come on. I know better than that. There has to be men around. Go to clubs in city. You're a nice girl. If I was there, I'd snatch you up in a heartbeat. It's not. And, but no clubs here. I think only KTV. Ayun. You're a nice girl. If I was there, and it's not you up in a heartbeat. Oh yeah, lukuhin ko nga. Oh yeah, come on, come. KTV. Like a bar? Something bar that have bar that have maganda din may kachat ng English speaking kasi matatrain kang mag-English kahit na biruan lang ganyan or friends, maganda pa rin yung may kachat na Englishero. I wish I could. Oh yeah, come on, come and snatch me, I say. I wish I could, sabi. Yeah. Yeah. Ayoko kumain ng chocolate. Bakit? Kasi pumupunta sa ngipin. Kailangan mag-toothbrush mamaya pagkatapos kumain ng chocolates bago matulog. Pupunta sila sa loob. The takes time these songs. Kain tayo ng grapes. Ayoko nang pag may seeds sa loob, hindi ko kinakain yung yung balak. Masakit yung napastan na yun yung last ipin ko. You can still travel, right? You can still travel, right? But you told me before it's hard. It's hard to come here and go back there, right? Walang plano to. Kung love ako nito, concern lang siya, concern sa work. Pero kung love ako nito, yung tipong gusto niya ng mapapangasawa sa buhay, desididong kunin ako, ganun. Eh, wala, parang wala. Sa chat lang siguro ito, gusto lang siguro ng may ka-chat lang ba. Wala nang reply. Mag-load lang ako ng 30 minutes. Kasi kailangan sa task. Itong kachat ko na to, taga USA. Singkwenta na daw ang taon niya. Kaso, nagpasa siya ng picture niya. Pinost ko pa nga sa page eh. Tapos, pinakita ko din dito ang mga kasaman ko. Sabi nila sino yan? Jowa mo? Hindi, kachat. 50 na daw siya. Anong 50? Parang lolo. Sabi. Tapos sabi naman ng tita ko, pinakita ko sa tita ko, sabi niya, hindi na yan, 50. Parang 75 na, sabi. Kasi pag sinabi kong English, baka maintindihan niya. Yes, ano sabi niya? Sabi ko kasi kanina, oh yeah, come on, come and snatch me, kako. I wish I could. Hope someday you or me visiting here or there. You can still travel, right? But you told me before it's hard to come here and go back there. Yes, our government made it hard to travel there or anywhere out of my country. Otherwise, I come there. So sad. Naging daw, stricto yung rules ni ata, presidente. Ang presidente nila, kalimutan ko pangalan. Father's Day bukas. Batiin ko yung amo ko nun sa Tanswe, amo ko nun sa Taoyin. Batiin ko bukas. Yung amo ko sa Tanswe nasa Amerika, nasa California, USA. Yung amo ko sa Taoyin naman, English speaking kami kasi taga USA din sila, dun sa California din ata. It is very sad. It is very sad. We don't have time to meet. Kung di daw yung government nila sa short travel there, sabi niya pumunta na daw dito, imit ako, kaso mahirap daw ngayon napakahirap daw ngayon ang rules ng government nila doon, kaya mahirap daw mag-travel sa ngayon. Ang sakit nung may pimples sa loob ng ilong ko, hindi ko mapisil ng todong-todo. So much. Bringing you here and getting you into the country is even worse. May plano akong kunin, kaso mahirap ang bringing you here and getting you into the country is even worse. Even make it visa, even make it be, you make visa, even you make tour visa, even you make it for me a tour visa, even you make it for me a tour visa. It's hard, right? Gawa lang ako ng 30 minutes na video dan. Sing hallelujah, sing hallelujah. Ay, ano ba ngayon? Sabado? Linggo na bukas. Kung nasaan yung isa kung dyan pala. Hinahanap ko yung isang phone. Ito pala. Ko ba? Ayan. At the picture mama. Tingnan ko kung tapos na yung phone. Tingnan ko tapos na itong si B Sisters channel sa taas ng watch to watch. Tapos na. Pwede ko nang i-video and then ipasa. Okay? Ito si B Sisters channel. B Sisters channel. And proof. Ewan ko kung tapos na yung iba. Tapos, nasaan yung ang sakit ng kwan ko, ilong ko. Ano, Nelson Asuncion. Daming nagkokan dito. Tapigsa, manakang. Tapos si Vance Faye TV, tingnan natin kung tapos na siya. Vance Faye TV. Tapos na siya. Si Vance Faye TV. Napindot ko tong una. Kaya na ganyan ulit. Vance Faye TV. Vance Faye TV. Time watch. Ayan. Bakit 22 hours siya? Madami. Tapos, sino pa yun? Tignan ko pa yung isa. Sino yun? BF Mix TV at saka si Sasa. BF Mix TV. Saka si B Sisters channel. Tapos na din si BF Mix Sasa. Ito nga. Bakit? Napakadilim naman ito. Basta makita yung red lines. Okay na yan. Sasa naman ito. Sino pang wala? BF Mix TV. BF Mix TV. Tingnan ko nga si BF Mix TV. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who get better day. Mamaya pagka kung andyan sa phone. So let's start living. There's a chance to make it. You make it. Bakit hindi siya nag-notification? Oh yes, it never was like that. That 911 thing changed everything. Oh. Oh, 5 minutes. May kwan pa. My mushroom. Ano pang wala? VF Mix TV, no? VF Mix TV. Ikaw nag-video pa lang. Hey, you don't make me cry. And I'm older and making better. Remember, ano ko? Okay, nagpapaka. Esos, ganyan. Esos. Ano ko? Justin Delmark. Justin Delmark. Lord takes time. Yes. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Sasa In Hotel. Love you. Bye.